Okay, so when you're gonna start, this is how you you shift and ride. So when you first start it, you pull in the clutch right here, and you shift down to first, and then you give it just a tiny bit of gas and let out the clutch somewhat slow and pretty smooth. And once you're going, you and you want to go faster, you shift up to second and third and fourth and then fifth, and pull in the clutch every time you shift. Then when you want to go slower or you need more power, then you downshift. And to go to neutral, which is like what you start the bike in, you it's first is down, and then neutral is a half click up, and second is all the way up, and then there's third, fourth, fifth, and some bikes have a sixth gear. And then so yeah, and then you can tell if you're in neutral when the bike is off, because it'll roll back and forth freely. If it's in gear, then it won't move. And so yeah, it's that's the video. And that's how you shift and ride on a dirt bike.